guys, I am making another batch of Lavender Luxury soap. This one's sold out and I had several requests for it, so I decided to go ahead and make another batch. I poured my lye into my water and I'm stirring it up. It's best to stir your lye really as you're pouring it in if you can. I didn't, and it kind of clumped on the bottom, so I'm just making sure that I have it all dissolved here. Now, I am doing the heat transfer method, not cooling down my lye and not warming up my oils. And I am just going to pour my lye straight into my oils. Okay, so here we go. Okay. All right, so let's get it stirred here. Yep, look at it, it's already melting. Great. I do have a big chunk of coconut here. This will be interesting. I hope it melts it. It should, but we'll see. Just going to hand stir it for a minute here. Just out of curiosity, I'm 114 degrees, so that should melt everything. Hello guys, it's been about 15 minutes, it's all melted, but this one little tiny bit, I added my kale and clay and goat milk. Let's get it mixed up. So I'm adding in my fragrance. I'm going to stir my fragrance in. Now I'm going to pour part of it into this bucket. Alright, so I'm going to put my purple in here. Combination of Purple Magic and Lavender Micas. Then, so I'm mixing up my titanium dioxide here and some oil. I find that it works best to pre-mix it in some oil or water. So if your soap sets up, just stir it up and it should loosen back up again. Whoops. Okay, this did not. Yeah. Okay, not what I had planned. Okay, this set up so quickly because, I don't know,